How to use green screen in CapCut. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to use green screen in your CapCut. First of all, you need to upload the videos you are going to edit. I'll add my first video into the first layer and then I'll add the green screen video on the top of the first video. I'll crop the video and adjust it. Once I'm done adjusting, I'll select the video I want to remove the green screen from, and then I'll go to this cutout section in the editing bar, and then I'll enable the chroma key, and here I'll select the color picker, and then I'll select the green color, and then I'll increase the strength, and I'll also increase the shadow, and I'll play the video, and as you can see the green screen has been removed. This is how you can use green screen in CapCut. I hope the video helped you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you have any question related to the video, please feel free to drop it in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this video.